Hi everyone, hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I'm back to share some projects with you guys. I am sending these out to the lovely Amber. She has a challenge giveaway running at the moment on her channel. She's asking for you to make an ornament. I will leave the link to her channel. Please go and check it out. All the information will be there. There's certain requirements for the size, but I think it can be any themed and obviously handmade ornament for her. I think she's got a little tree that she wants to put more on. I also wanted to send out a little bit of happy mail. I know she had a birthday a while ago now. Like I said in my previous video, I am quite behind on projects and things that I want to make and stuff, so I'm kind of playing catch up at the moment, but I'm going to share some bits that I'm sending for her challenge, but also combined with I wanted to send a little bit of happy mail for her birthday. So I do apologize, Amber, this is going to be a bit late, but I still wanted to send some bits out for your birthday. This is the ornament I've made. I've gone with the summer theme. I had all my summer bits still out, and I've really enjoyed putting together this little collection of things to send out, and like I said, they're all kind of got a summer theme to them. I just used a piece of like chipboard. I made it into a little ornament. I painted the back with some paint I picked up from the range, kind of just matched this collection. I've put some ribbons and tulle and different things, twine. She can hang it on her little tree from there. This little cute image I got, I think it's a I can't think what collection this image is. If I do, I will try and link it or put it in the description down below. I've had it in my stash for ages. I just coloured her up using some coloured pencils, put a little flat back pearl in the flower in her hat. I love the little sandals she's wearing. These I picked up years ago from a local shop near me. They're kind of like little bubbles. This little bucket and spade was from my stash, and the little sun. Yeah, I just thought it's really cute. So that's my entry to her giveaway. And then I wanted to send a few extra goodies. So I had these, the like foam stickers, smiley faces, and I just made a little bag topper and put some of those in there. So she can take this, she can use this for other things, or take all these bits apart and use them on different projects. Then had these two little rosettes in my stash, and I thought that'd be quite nice to send. Again, put a nice bag topper on, and here I just made, these are like little flowers, and I made them out of like a pearl and some sequin. Really cute and easy to make. And then some flat back gems, and then this chipboard piece I put on there. So I thought that'd be sweet for her to use on some projects. This is the card I've made for her birthday card. This is a KS Craft, I think, die. Yeah, and these are just like papers from my stash and some stickers I picked up from the range. Some flat back pearls. So yeah, that one's actually come loose, that flat back pearl. I need to re-stick that one down. But yeah, it's really cute and simple card. Got some tulle, like different coloured tulle I was going to send out to her. I have had this die in my stash for quite a few years now. It's the like little can die from KF's Craft, and yeah, I had a lot of fun putting this together. I've put some crocheted flowers in here, so I hope she likes those. Yeah, it was a pain to try and get this top piece on, but I think I kind of got the hang of it in the end, so I'm going to send that out to her. I then made a ATC, and I made this out of like vellum and cardstock, this little holder, and then there's a cute little summery themed ATC in there, and all my details are obviously on the back, so I'm not going to share that. But yeah, I just thought it was quite a nice way to package an ATC. A bit of vellum and some cardstock, and then obviously some Velcro to hold it closed. So that's that one. Then I got the inspiration actually from Amber's channel. She has I think it may be a weekly challenge where she makes a Twinchie every week, and she gives like a theme or something to it. I've just made some little Twinchies from little bits of scrap from my stash. Again, all in sort of summer theme. This one says we're having fun together. This one's got like a cute bee and a rose on it. One great day. Yeah, these are just like all little bits that are in my stash. I thought it was a great way to use up all the little scrap bits that you may have. This one says happy day and summer adventures, and she can use these on like a card or different projects. And then I decided to make a little like Twinchie album to keep them all in. So it's just like out of cardstock, and then obviously different bits from my stash, stickers and things, and they just all fit really nicely inside, so they don't get lost, and it's a great way to send them out as happy mail and stuff. So they just all slot in here. And then it just, this sticker's kind of holding it all together. It's really cute. Little way to send them out or keep them safe. If you do like a Twinchie swap, you could make one of these, and then you've got somewhere to store them all. So that's that one. And then the last little thing is I wanted to make a memory decks. I had this memory decks die for ages, and I very rarely use it, so I wanted to make one, but I wanted to send it out some way, like in a box or something, and this is what I kind of come up with. So this is my memory decks. This bow the lovely Alex sent to me in some happy mail. Yeah, and there's just other little bits and bobs from my stash, some flowers. These are like foam flowers, a button as a flower, this butterfly. I think the lovely Christine sent this in some happy mail. So yeah, I just made a shaker memory decks to send, and then I made this little holder to send it in, and then I had this little bit of space, I'll just flatten out this side, so I just made some bows, put them on some acetate and sent, and then attached them with a clip this side. So I thought that'd be quite nice to send out, and then just decorate the front. I think Alex sent me this wording Crafty as well in a swap that we did. Yeah, and I think that turned out really cute. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please go and, like I said, the link to Amber's channel will be in the description. Please go and check out her giveaway that she's got running. You'll find out all the details there when it closes and stuff. yeah, please go and check out her channel and join her challenge. And as always guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Have an awesome week guys. Take care. Bye.